Hello, my name is Carmen Rodriguez. I am from Peru. I am Peruvian and I am from Chiclayo. I am 35 years old. I am low ají de gallina and I am low Peruvian food, but I am down liking very spice food. I am love listening to music and I am enjoy watching movies. I am liking traveling and I am love spending time with my family. But I am don't liking staying. I am home all day. Uh, I am Freddy. I am responsible person. I am happy to be here and I am hope to learn new twin. I am Nick new friend. Thank you. Nice to meet all.